Do you agree that we all have a box, which is rarely used and is tucked somewhere in a corner of the kitchen shelf? This highly neglected kitchen ingredient is more than just adding fluff to your cakes and muffins. Yeah. You are absolutely right. That's baking soda. There are lots of benefits of such a humble kitchen ingredient that you may be unaware of. Today, I'm gonna explain you the super amazing benefits of baking soda. Before we begin, please subscribe our channel and hit the notifications icon so you may never miss out our videos. Number 1. Air freshener. Do you know that not all commercial air fresheners eliminate bad odors? Instead, some simply release fragrance molecules that sometimes mask bad smells. Baking soda is an awesome natural and safe alternative. It interacts with odor particles and neutralizes them, rather than masking them. You can create it at home by mixing just 1/3 cup of baking soda, 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oils like lavender, lemon, orange, cinnamon, or peppermint. Add baking soda and essential oils to the jar. Cover it with a piece of cloth or paper and then secure it in place with the string. When the scent starts to fade, give the jar a shake. Now it's ready to use. Number 2. Clean fruits and veggies. We all know that peeling fruit is the best way to remove pesticides. However, it also means you don't get the important nutrients, such as fiber, minerals and vitamins, found in the skins of many fruits and vegetables. Recent research has found that soaking fruits and veggies in a baking soda wash is the most effective way to remove pesticides without peeling them. It is found in a study that soaking the fruit in a solution of baking soda and water for 12 to 15 minutes removed nearly all of the pesticides. Number 3. Eliminate garbage odor. Garbage odor is really painful. Unfortunately, this odor spreads around your kitchen and other areas of your home. Yeah. Baking soda helps in eliminating garbage odors. These odors are often acidic, so the baking soda can interact with odor molecules and neutralize them. Scientists found that spreading baking soda at the bottom of waste bins can help neutralize garbage odor by 70%. Number 4. Heartburn or acid reflux treatment. Heartburn or acid reflux is a painful, burning sensation that arises in the upper region of your stomach and can spread up into your throat. Some common causes of reflux are stress, overeating, and eating spicy or greasy foods. Baking soda is really helpful in treating heartburn by neutralizing stomach acid. You just need to dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of cold water and have the mixture slowly. You will get the relief after some time. Number 5. Mouthwash. Mouthwash with baking soda is a great addition to a good oral hygiene routine. It reaches corners of your mouth and crevices of your teeth, gums, and tongue that could be missed during toothbrushing. Mouthwash with baking soda helps in freshening your breath and provides antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. All you just need to add half a teaspoon of baking soda to half a glass of warm water and then swish as usual. I'm sure you will feel the difference. Just give a try. Number 6. Sooth canker sores. As you know, canker sores are small, painful ulcers inside the mouth. They may occur on the tongue and on the inside linings of the cheeks, lips, and throat. Canker sores are among the most common types of oral lesions, affecting about 20% of people. It is found in research that baking soda mouthwash is great for soothing pain caused by canker sores. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda to half a glass of warm water. Rinse your mouth with this mixture once a day until the canker sore heals. Number 7. Whiten your teeth. Baking soda is a great home remedy for whitening teeth. It is found in many studies that toothpaste containing baking soda is better for whitening teeth and removing plaque than toothpaste without baking soda. This is likely because baking soda has mild abrasive properties that let it break the bonds of molecules that stain the teeth. It also has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that help in fighting harmful bacteria. Number 8. Treat kidney disease. It is reported in the Times July 17, 2009, that a daily dose of baking soda helps patients with chronic kidney disease avoid having to undergo dialysis. In research, it's found that sodium bicarbonate can dramatically slow the progress of the condition. Sodium bicarbonate or baking soda is useful for some people with kidney disease. For kidney patients, baking soda makes the bloodless acid, which slows the progression of kidney disease. However, people with healthy kidneys should not eat baking soda. Number 9. Deodorant. Sweat only gains an odor after it is broken down by bacteria in your armpits. These bacteria convert your sweat into acidic waste products that give sweat its odor. Using baking soda as a deodorant is a simple way to combat body odor without subjecting your pits to a variety of chemicals. Baking soda eliminates the smell of sweat by making the odors less acidic. Try patting baking soda onto your armpits and you may notice the difference. Number 10. Improve exercise performance. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a popular supplement among athletes. It's found in research that baking soda helps in performing at your peak for longer, especially during anaerobic exercises like high-intensity training, sprinting, and swimming. During exercise, your muscle cells began to produce lactic acid, which is responsible for the burning feeling you get during exercise. Lactic acid also lowers the pH inside your cells, which may cause your muscles to tire. Surprisingly, baking soda has a high pH, which not only helps in delaying fatigue, but also allowing you to exercise at your peak for longer. A study shows that people who took baking soda exercised for an average of 4.5 minutes longer than people who didn't take baking soda. Baking soda is your next best friend in the kitchen, so pick it up and make the most of it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.